Installing WordPress on Hostinger sounds very technical, but trust me, it is so easy that even a 5th grader can do it. In this video lesson, part of my How to Make a Website for Beginners series, I'll show you step by step how to install WordPress on Hostinger. Without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to your Hostinger H panel and select the option to create or migrate a website. You will be asked whether you want to make a site for yourself or for someone else. Select whether the website is for yourself or your business. Since we are starting fresh, choose Create a New Site. This will open a chat box that will ask questions like what type of website you want. And here, I can choose a blog. After you answer these questions, Hostinger's website builder will generate a website for you. You can follow this path, but as I said in the first video of this course, website builders give you less control over your website. That can become a problem later, so I'm skipping these questions. You'll then be prompted to choose a platform. Select the standard WordPress card. It is the most powerful and flexible choice for beginners who want full control over their site. Now, you need to set up your administrator account, select your language, enter a valid email address, and create a strong, secure password. This is the information you'll use every time you log in to your website's backend. Next, it is time to connect your domain. As you can see, I have 2 domains here. I'm using softwarehelp.net for this project. Before moving forward, select a server location that is physically closest to your target audience. For this build, we're selecting the US data center to ensure the fastest possible loading speeds for our visitors. Click Next and WordPress will be installed. Hostinger will now automatically install the WordPress core files, configure your database, and activate your SSL certificate for security. See? It is that simple. Once the technical details are set, you'll be presented with a gallery of pre-built website templates in WordPress. But as a beginner learning WordPress, I recommend avoiding templates for now. Click on Go to WordPress. This will take you directly into the WordPress admin panel. This is your website's command center. On the left-hand sidebar, you'll see a dashboard to manage your website. You'll see a Posts section where you'll create your blog entries, a Pages section for static content like your About page, and the Appearance section where you can further customize your theme. To access your WordPress admin panel, let's open another tab. Type your web address first, as I do, then type /wp-admin and hit Enter. Enter the email and password you set earlier. This will take you to the WordPress panel. Your website is now live and ready for content. In the next lesson, we'll set the theme for the website. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye!